Here we have two questions and we are going to simplify of rational expression. Let's take a start. You can see here 4a cube minus 25ab square. First of all, if common, we have to take common. Here is 4 even number and 25 odd number, so we cannot take common. Here a cube and a, so smallest lowest power we have to take common. Here is b square, but we don't have b here, so only a is common. And what is remaining here? 4, so we have to write on 4. A cube, from a cube already came, so here is nothing then 1. 3 from a power 3, a is common, so remaining a square, because base same and in multiply we have to add the power 2, and here is nothing then 1. 2 plus 1, it will be 3, minus, so we have to write here 25, a already common, remaining b square, so we have to write b square. Similarly in denominator, no need to take common. You can see here is a square, here is ab, and here b square. So in this type of question we have to factorize. Before factorization, what we have to do, first and last we have to multiply. 2 into 15, 15 into 2, how much? 30. So while multiplying 30 and while subtracting 1, because here is minus, while subtracting 1, so we have to find out that type of factor whose multiplication is 30 and subtraction is 1. What are the factors? 6 and 5. 6 5s are 30 and 6 5 minus 5 is equal to 1. So we can write here 2a square plus, in the place of 1 we can write here 6 minus 5 ab minus 15b square. Similarly, you can see here in numerator we can convert this in the form of a square minus b square. Square root of 4 is 2 and square root of 25 is 5. So let's convert this in the form of a square minus b square. So we can write here square root of 4 means 2, so we can write here 2a whole square minus, in the place of 25 we can write 5b whole square, because square root of 25 means 5, 5 square means 25. Now here let's open the bracket. 2a square plus 6 into ab, 6ab plus minus minus 5 into ab, 5ab minus 15b square. Now in numerator you can see here this is in the form of a square minus b square, so we can write a plus b, a minus b, so we can write here 2a plus 5b and 2a minus 5b. In the place of a here is 2a, and in the place of b here is 2b, so 2a plus 5b and 2a minus 5b. Similarly in denominator we have to take common. From first two term we have to take common, and from last two term we have to take common. 2 and 6, in which table both will come? Definitely 2, so we can take 2 common, and a square and ab, so a square a, so we can take a common. And what is remaining here? A plus 2 3s are 6, a already common here, so b, so we can write here b. Here minus, so minus 5 and 15, we can take 5 common. Here is ab and b square, b square, so we can take here b, remaining a. I told you before also, when minus we can take common minus, then in the place of minus we have to write down plus. We have to change the sign. If plus we have to write minus, if minus we have to write down plus. Now 5 into which number? It will be 15. 5 3s are 15. From b square, b is common, so we have to write down b. Now you can see a plus 3b, a plus 3b same. This two always same. If not same, something you did mistake. Now here we cannot do anything, so we can write same 2a plus 5b, similarly 2a minus 5b. And denominator we have to take common, a plus 3b, a plus 3b, so we can write here a plus 3b common, and the remaining is 2a minus 5b, so we can write here 2a minus 5b. Now we can cancel these two terms because these two are similar, same, and the remaining is a, 2a plus 5b by a plus 3b. Hope you understand this question related with simplification of rational expression. Look at next, we have another question also. X square minus 1 by x square minus 3x plus 2. What we have to do? First of all, we have to convert this in the form of a square minus b square, so we can write x square minus 1 square, and here denominator we have to factorize. We cannot take any common, we cannot convert in the formula, so we have to factorize. While multiplying 2 and while adding 3, we have to find out that type of factor whose multiplication is 2 and addition is 3. What are the factors? 2 and 1. X square minus 2 plus 1, x plus 3, x plus 2. When you multiply this 2, we get 2. When you add this 2, we get 3. Hope you understand how to find out the factors. Now this in the form of a square minus b square, we have to use formula of a square minus b square, so a plus b, a minus b. In the place of a here is x, and in the place of b here is 1, so x plus 1 x minus 1. In denominator also we have to do x square minus, open the bracket, 2 into x, 2x, minus plus minus 1 into x, x plus 2. Similarly, x plus 1, x minus 1. From this two term we have to take common, and what is the common? X common, remaining x minus 2. From here we have to take common, minus 1 common, remaining x minus 2. Okay, and when minus is common we have to change the sign. If plus we have to write minus, if minus we have to write plus. Why? Because when you open the bracket, when you multiply minus minus, it will be plus. So if minus is common we have to change the sign. So here we can write x plus 1, x minus 1, and here x minus 2, x minus 2, we can write x minus 2 common, remaining x minus 1, so x minus 1. This and this cancelled, and the remaining is x plus 1 by x minus 2. Hope you understand this question. This and this cancel, remaining x plus 1 by x minus 1, so we can x minus 2, so this one is the answer. Now look at the next question, which is related with simplify only, and the question is x square minus 9 by x square minus 5x plus 6. Now look at this question. First of all, what we have to do, we have to convert this in the form of a square minus b square, because square root of 9 means 3, so we can write x square minus 3 square. Now here we have to, while multiplying 6 and while adding 5, 3 into 2 6, 3 plus 2 5, so we can write x square minus 3 plus 2 x plus 6. Now a square minus b square formula we have to use, x plus 3, x minus 3, a plus b, a minus b, and denominator we have to open the bracket, x square minus 3 into x, 3x, minus plus minus 2 into x, 2x plus 6, x plus 3, x minus 3. Now here we have to take common, from first two term we have to take common, and what is the common here? X common, remaining x minus 3, and from here we have to take common, common is minus 2, 2 and 6, common is 2. So here is third term is negative, so we have to write on minus 2 common, remaining x minus 3, because we have to change the, when minus is common we have to change the sign. If plus we have to write minus, if minus we have to write on plus. Now x plus 3, x minus 3, here x minus 3, x minus 3, so we can write x minus 3 and x minus 2. So here we can cancel x minus 3, x minus 3, these two are same, but in divide, so we can cancel it. Now what is remaining here? X plus 3 by x minus 2, x minus 2. Hope you understand this question. Thanks for watching till last.